viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a small example how to check the given string is a palindrome or not using if-else conditional statements. So first of all, what is palindrome? Palindrome sequence is nothing but if you write the word in the forward order and when you reverse the string in the reverse order, both will be the same only. Such type of words we can call it as a palindrome words. So let me show you the code. Code through I will explain how to check whether that string is a palindrome or not. Please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So here I am going to take one variable str1 is equal to input of user choice, enter your string, or you can call it as a enter your word. So user going to enter the string here, that I am going to convert into lowercase because user may enter the word either in the uppercase or it is in the lowercase. So first I am converting the string into the lowercase using of the string method lower. Then I am taking as a new variable result. Res is equal to, first I want to reverse this string. So str1 of -1. So what I am doing here, whatever the user enter the string, that I am going to reverse it using of the syntax slicing. There is no start value, there is no stop value, only reverse index number I given. So condition I am going to write if result equal to str1 print of it's a palindrome. It's a palindrome. Else print of it's not a palindrome. Let me execute. So first I am going to write like a radar. It's a palindrome. So let me show you. So first he entered the word radar. First it convert into lowercase. After it will reverse in this line. Reverse means you can write the reverse order R A D A R. You can see whether you write this word in the forward or when you reverse it, the string in the reverse order, both will be the same only. So now you can check the condition here. Result is radar. It is equal to string radar. Both are same only. The condition is true. When condition is true, it's going to execute the if block statement. It's a palindrome. Let's take one more example. Maybe language Malayalam. You can check it's a palindrome. If you reverse it, it will be the same only. Let me take one more example. Madam. You can see. Same. Let's check reviver. It's not a palindrome. Python is a palindrome or not? It's not palindrome. Let's check. When you write the Python in the reverse order, N O H T Y P, both are not same, so it's not a palindrome. So in next video I am going to show you some more examples for the if else conditional statements. So please follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in next video.